Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I am Nikhil, I am Men's Image Consultant. Welcome back to another video from Bravo Man. Gentlemen, let me ask you a simple question. What is personality? It is the typical pattern of thinking, feeling and behavior that makes every person unique. And we all know and we all say that personality is everything. You know, when we say that a person has a bravo personality, a dashing personality, it's simple. We mean that they are interesting, they are fascinating, and they are amazing to be with. You know, gentlemen, while we can only enhance our outer look to a certain level, but when it comes to your personality, we can absolutely enhance it to whatever limits what we can. There is absolutely no limit in enhancing your personality to any level. Developing a personality, it never stops. It is on us. How do we mold it? How do we develop it? Until what extent we really go and invest time to really build an amazing and a great personality. But a lot of people, they really neglect in developing their personality to a certain extent. For me, personality development is a long process. It never stops. It is a very continuous process and you really have to invest time in yourself to really keep on challenging yourself to build your overall personality. But the point is, it is on you. How do you challenge yourself to build and develop a great personality? So today in this video, gentlemen, I am going to share 5 easy ways to really focus and develop your personality. And trust me, these 5 are the basic steps. You know, I am not a motivational speaker, but it is important to focus on your personality. At the end of the day, what people see is what people buy. So it is important to invest time in yourself. So before I get in the video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell notification icon below so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video on my channel. And please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant. And my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. Gentlemen, like I say, your support is really important. It really helps me and the channel to grow. So please consider subscribing, please consider following, and without any further ado, let's get in the video. Gentlemen, these 5 basic ways which I am going to share with you to develop your personalities are very common and probably you must be knowing about it. But do you really focus on it? That is the main point. So I want you guys to really focus on these 5 basic ways that will really help you develop your personality. So number 1 on my list is to be a good listener. You know, gentlemen, if there is one most important trait which you really have to focus, and if you have to build a great personality, then the most important thing is to be a good listener. Trust me, gentlemen, there is nothing more appealing than having someone listen to you intently, making you feel like you are the only person in this world. To be a good listener, it is not only important in your personal life, but it is also important in your professional life. You know, gentlemen, half of the time we tend to neglect in listening right, and that's where we tend to lack to collect and gather information. So be a good listener. It is one of the most important trait in building your personality. Number 2, and the most important thing again, is expanding your knowledge. Now, gentlemen, it is important to read as much as you can, because the more you read, the more you gather information on different topics, and the more information you collect, the more intellect you become while speaking in the group, while talking to someone. Because if you have knowledge, you can share that knowledge. You know, it is as simple. The more you read, the more information you gather, and on the different interesting topics which you like probably. And this information helps you, especially when you talk to others, especially in group or with someone, because you have a lot of topics and you really start becoming more interesting to others. So invest time in reading, invest time in gathering information. It helps to connect with different people and like-minded people. You know, you also make new friends, you also meet new people, so you have a certain common topic to start with. You know, so that's the reason, gather as much as information, because this particular thing, see, at the end of the day, you are building your personality, and in developing and building your personality, you need to gather information, and that information will really help you to build yourself. Having information will allow you to participate in any discussion. You suddenly turn interesting for people around you. It really allows you to exchange your views on different topics. And trust me guys, it is important to put your views forward, and you can only put your views forward when you have enough information on you. You can't just blabber. So it's a circle, so you really have to focus on gathering information. So guys, read as much as you can, gather information, gather knowledge about different topics. These topics might be varied. See, at the end of the day, it's not possible to have knowledge about everything, but at least you can have knowledge about few topics which really interest you, and that can be really interesting for you in building up your personality. Number 3 is having to put your opinion forward. Like I just mentioned in my previous point, if you have knowledge, if you have information about different topics, it is easy to really participate in any discussion, and that will really help you to put your views forward. And gentlemen, if you do not put your views forward, people won't take you seriously, because just imagine if you are in a group and if you do not put your views forward, if you do not talk, so people will not take you seriously. They will start avoiding you. So if you really want your presence to be felt in any discussion, so you need to put your views forward. Your views can be right, your views can be wrong, but at the end of the day, participating in any ongoing discussion really turn a lot of heads, and plus it will also help you to put your foot down and to make your opinion heard. Gentlemen, always have your opinion, and please put your opinions forward, because that will really help you to participate in any discussion. If you really want to build your personality, you really want to make your presence felt, then please have your opinion and make your opinions be heard. Because in that way, you really make your presence felt, really make others think that you are also a part of the discussion, and they will really start taking you seriously. Number 4 is take decisions and be committed to your decisions. Gentlemen, a lot of men, they lack taking decisions and they lack being committed to their decisions. That is one of the biggest failure what a lot of men they really face, and because of that they really get bogged down, because they can't take decisions, they can't take their call, they can't really stand up for themselves and speak about it and back themselves up. So it is important, guys, take decisions. Probably these decisions might be right, might be wrong, but then in the process you will learn. Learning never ends, and these learning especially will really help you to build a great personality. Guys, these are small things, but these small things, it really matters in building up and developing a great powerful personality. Lot of men, they run away from commitment. Guys, please, commitment issue is one of the biggest failure in a man. So please be committed to whatever you do. If you are working, if you are into business, if you have any personal commitments, or your fitness commitments, all your things, it all lies on you and your commitment. If you run away from commitment, people will start taking you lightly. People will really lose interest in you, and at the end of the day, you will just act like a loser. So please start taking your own decisions, make your own decisions. Sometimes there are hard decisions, sometimes there are easy decisions. Probably there are certain decisions which you might go right, which you might go wrong, but trust me, this is a learning process, and you can't just build your personality by just taking right decisions. And whenever you take decisions, be committed to your decisions, guys, because it is really important to be committed. At the end of the day, unless and until if you're not committed to your decisions, you will never grow in life. And if you really want to build a great and a powerful personality, be committed to your decisions, because that will really help you in long run. And gentlemen, number 5 and the most important point in developing and building a strong personality is focusing on yourself. What I mean is focusing on your grooming, on your fitness, and on your style. Gentlemen, the first impression is the last impression, and 80% of the time we tend to lose out on that opportunity on creating a very impactful first impression. You know why? Because either we are not dressed well, either we really lack confidence, either we do not have our grooming at the epitome, or we are really lousy, and we are not up to the mark. And that happens is because we neglect the main and the most important thing about your style, about your grooming and your fitness. Guys, you might have a lot of information, you might be really intellect, you can be a good listener, you can be a good speaker, but your first impression whenever you meet anyone, first thing what people will notice in you is the way you are dressed, your grooming and your fitness. All these things, it really pack up in building up a really powerful and a bravo personality. Guys, when it comes to your fitness, again, like I said, you have to be committed. I am the person who will never go on asking you or giving you any false commitment about telling you guys that you need to be six pack or you need to be chiseled and completely jacked, but you have to be fit. Please get yourself involved in any sports. It might be running, it might be swimming, it might be any outdoor indoor sports, but keep yourself, because you have to challenge yourself. If you don't challenge yourself, you will always be let down. So your sport, it really helps you to build yourself, your mental and your physical strength, and that is important. Your grooming standards, guys, I mean, these are the basic things, your basic etiquettes, your nails, your well-groomed beard, your haircut, the way you smell. Again, small things, but it really makes a major difference. And number three, the most important thing is your style. What you wear, how you carry yourself, how you portray yourself, all these things, they really make a powerful impression about the way you are in just a matter of no time. So if you want that impression to be long lasting, if you want that impression to be impactful, then you have to focus on your fitness, you have to focus on your grooming, you have to focus on your style, because you can't just win the war with just one particular weapon. You have to keep on changing, you have to keep on challenging yourself, and the best way to do it is by investing time in yourself. And investing time in yourself is nothing but in developing yourself, in developing your personality. So gentlemen, I do not want you guys to just think about unnecessary and unwanted and unrealistic goals. Keep realistic goals when it comes to your fitness. Be fit, because at the end of the day, your health is important. Your grooming is at most important, because if you are in a group, if you have a meetings, if you meet a lot of people, your grooming standards have to be at the epitome. You have to take care of yourself. And again, your clothing, the way you wear, what you wear, how you wear, the way you portray yourself, like I said, it is really important. At the end of the day, these are the things which really matters and which really helps you build a powerful and a bravo personality. So gentlemen, these are the 5 basic tips in building and developing a great and a bravo personality. The most important thing which I want to tell you is, at the end of the day, be a good human being, because that is the most important thing. If you are courteous, if you pay respect to people above you, people below you, you will get respect. And at the end of the day, you have to be humble. In building up a strong and a powerful personalities, you really have to be humble, you really have to be grounded. So gentlemen, I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, and ciao.